Coronavirus cases are spiking in Europe, forcing several countries to implement new COVID-19 lockdowns and other restrictions. Simon Bates takes a closer look in this weekend's edition of London Calling. And as always, Simon's opinions are just that, Simon's opinions.
It was the week when Europe wobbled. The European Parliament cancelled a session in Strasbourg. Travelling is dangerous, tweeted the Parliament's president. German Chancellor Angela Merkel warned that her country could be heading for disaster. In France, there's a nighttime curfew in Paris and 8 other cities. In Catalonia, Spain, bars and restaurants are now closed for a fortnight. And here in Britain, people are coming to terms with the seriousness of the situation, just as our politicians have started to fall out over how to deal with it. Northern Ireland has shut down for 4 weeks, while the Welsh want to ban entry to anyone from areas of high infection. Parts of the north of England are on the highest alert, and 9 million Londoners are on the watch list. The Speaker of the British Parliament has appealed to its older and more vulnerable legislators not to turn up and to join in virtual debates from home. But this was also the week when the Queen, at the age of 94, carried out her first public engagement outside a royal residence in 7 months. She visited a laboratory, noticeably without wearing a mask, but everyone she met had been tested. It was to show us all that life goes on. Now, viewed from my farm here in the southwest of England, where infections have been much lower than the national average, it all does seem a long way away. Most folk round these parts are simply getting on with their lives, but they're following the news, and they're hoping that our little part of the world will remain relatively free from this terrible virus. That's London Calling for today. This is Simon Bates for CBS News in Devon.